Akansha, and in this video I'm going to talk about a good night's sleep. I know in this lockdown we all messed up with our sleeping cycle, and most of you are most probably watching this video at 2 or 3 in the night. Am I right? So I thought, why not make a video on how to fall asleep faster and how to repair your sleeping cycle. So let's start. No matter how positive our day went, nights are mostly when all the negative thoughts, all the insecurities come into our mind. So the first step of falling asleep faster is to relax your mind. So I have read this exercise many times, also tried this. This is called the 4-7-8 technique.
Breathe in for 4 seconds, then hold your breath for 7 seconds, then breathe out for 8 seconds. Do this exercise for 4 or 5 times. During this time, close your eyes, relax your body. Just concentrate on this pattern.
Next step for relaxing your body is, what can you do is relax each muscle of your body from your toe to your finger. Watch it relax. Just calm yourself. Concentrate on your breathing. It's like a meditation. Another technique which I have mentioned in my meditation video also is count in reverse from 100, 99, 98, 97, and till you reach 20, 30, you will see yourself calming down. Another thing which is very important while sleeping is
the temperature of your room. The temperature of your room should be low. Your room should be cold. Cozy up your room, add as many cushions as you want, as many blankets. Just be comfortable.
Now so far we have created a comfortable space, we have calm our mind, calm our body, but what next? What to do when you can't sleep and you are just staring at your ceiling? What to think? So I have these 2 techniques. It will sound stupid, but it's not. First is bore your mind. Start calculating in your head, revise tables, anything which will bore you. I know it sounds super lame, but it's not. It works. I do it every day and it works. Another thing which you can do is
create a happy place in your mind. Imagine anything which makes you happy. Just create that happy space.
The next thing which I know most of you know, still it's very important, is leave your phone. No matter how long you are staring outside or you are just laying, but stop using your phone. The blue light will never gonna help you in sleeping. So please leave your phone if you want to sleep faster. Another which I want to mention is stop tracking your time. If you ask me what time I go to sleep, I don't have any idea, because I just go to bed and then I stop tracking my time. I stop watching a clock and my mobile phone, so I don't have any idea what time I go to sleep. What will happen if you check your time is, you will think, oh, it's 1 AM, I'm still not asleep, I have to woke up, I have to go to office and all. It will give you more stress. So stop checking your time, and if possible, eliminate any clock sound from your room. Now we have discussed everything which will help us to fall asleep faster. Now let's talk about how to repair your sleeping cycle. First of all, you can't repair your sleeping cycle in 1 or 2 days. It will take at least minimum 1 week. So suppose you are watching this video now and this is your day 1 of repairing your sleeping cycle. Suppose you want to go to sleep at 11:30 now, so create a bedtime routine at least from 1 or 2 hours.
During your bedtime routine, don't use your phone. Like after 9 PM, read, do journaling, do anything, just don't use your phone. Even if you use your phone in dark mode. Nowadays, YouTube, WhatsApp, Instagram, everything has a dark mode. So I think it's not gonna be a problem. Just avoid that blue light.
And by 11 PM, go to your bed. Go to your bed, leave your phone, just do anything, just go to your bed at 11 PM. So now how to wake up when you want? So for that,
set 3 alarms. The first 2 alarms should have the same sound and the last alarm should have a different sound. This technique helped me a lot. Now I can wake up even without the alarm, but it takes me some time to adjust, but this technique really helps.
Another thing which I want to add in this is, don't take naps in between. From the minute you woke up till you go to sleep, don't take any rest or naps in between. Just let your body be tired so that it will fall asleep faster.
Do all this thing for at least 1 week. I guarantee you, if you follow everything, then in 1 week you will definitely see some results.
So yeah guys, this was all for this video. If this video helps you, then give it a thumbs up. If you are still watching, I think you should subscribe and comment down below what time you go to sleep. I will see you next Friday. Till then, take care, sleep tight, bye.